Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting and soaking the beans so they cook evenly. This reduces gas and improves texture. Rinse 2 cups, remove pebbles, then cover with 6-8 cups water. For an overnight method, soak 8-12 hours. For speed, bring to a boil for 1 minute, then cover and sit 1 hour. Add 1 tsp baking soda to help break down skins and shorten cooking time. Once done, drain and rinse. You're ready to simmer for tender beans. Now you cook to achieve the creamy interior that makes smooth hummus. Transfer soaked beans to fresh water, add 1/2 tsp salt, and bring to a gentle simmer. Avoid vigorous boiling, which ruptures beans and creates grainy texture. Skim any foam. Simmer 45 to 90 minutes until beans mash easily. Reserve about 1/2 cup of the cooking liquid. This starchy water helps emulsion when blending. Make sure to cool beans slightly, so they don't shock your blender, or ice-cold tahini. Finally, you transform cooked beans into hummus using technique more than force. In a food processor, combine drained beans, 1/2 cup tahini, 3 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 garlic cloves, and 1/2 tsp cumin. Pulse, then run until creamy. Add reserved cooking liquid 1 tablespoon at a time until airy and smooth. Taste and adjust salt and lemon. Drizzle 2 tablespoon olive oil, garnish, and chill 30 minutes to meld flavors. Troubleshooting tip: if hummus is grainy, blend longer with a bit more cooking liquid and scrape down sides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.